This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Live the ultimate waterfront lifestyle in this annual rental at the Strand of Sarasota, ideally located just 1 mile from downtown. 2 bedrooms, 2-bath condo on the 3rd floor features an open floor plan with luxurious finishes and spectacular views of Sarasota Bay and the Gulf of Mexico. Enjoy abundant natural light through large sliding glass doors that lead to a spacious 119 square foot private terrace, perfect for sipping your morning coffee or watching the sunset over the canal and bay.The. The Strand offers a range of resort-style amenities, including a heated pool and spa, fitness center, gas fire pit and grills, kayak and paddleboard launch, boardwalk, dog park, assigned parking, storage locker, and EV charging station. Located near all the best arts, culture, dining, and entertainment, with Lido Beach and St. Armands Circle just a short distance away. Tenant must pay a broker fee of $75 before moving in. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.